nothing I say to your reaction. That's when people start judging, say you're drunk, walk away, then they want to see you. I know what they say, I'm a star of love. Talk to somebody, have to look up. Living a different never should even stop with us. Drunk word, can you hear? Drunk word, come on! Can you hear? Drunk word, drunk word, can you hear? Drunk word, right here! I got you listening. Relationship, see, I wanna be with you. I say when it's the girl you're with, but when it's over, you say nothing about it. We're drinking, turning, and just speaking. Same thoughts about you all the bar. I've been feeling never once you couldn't win, and you were for my attention, but they didn't. I could've been down, I didn't. The opportunity to be with who can anything that happens. I believe we can play the game. Instead of speaking, you're not good enough. Just give up on believing. You're a no one cares about it. Body rolling this within them. Not comprehending, just searching for an ending. A way out. Challenging the voices. The only way they know how. Making it their only choices. Not no racist, no right screaming. Saying I can heal it. Not a version of myself. Have a family, a love of my house. Drunk words are sober thoughts. Thank you. You can find me youtube.com/The Sicilian Kiss. Hey everybody, I'm actually a country artist, but y'all rock. I'm trying to come in here and look good. You can find me at theamandaphillipssite.com. So I do all genres, but I'm actually signed as a country artist. But anyways, thanks you guys for rocking this out, supporting us. I better see some movement, brother. Show them. Thank you guys so much. God bless. We love you guys. You guys are awesome. This is the best crowd I work with. I'm not gonna lie.